Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in this week's video I'm doing another back to school video. So you guys decided up in the polls that you really wanted to see a natural back to school makeup look, so that is what I brought you guys today. And before we start, here are today's subscriber shoutouts. If you want a shoutout, subscribe, comment down below #subs or anything related to a shoutout, and turn post notifications on to be notified whenever I upload a new video. By the way, I just wanted to say that we are super close to hitting 200 subscribers, so it would really mean a lot to me if you guys click that big red subscribe button. I'm really grateful for everyone who has subscribed and has continued on with my channel. If you guys want to see how to recreate this exact makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so we are going to start this quick and easy makeup look for back to school, and I'm hoping to do this under 10 minutes or if possible under 5 minutes. For school, we do not have time for foundation, so we're just gonna go ahead and skip that step and move on straight to concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. You guys see me use this all the time, so that is what we're going to go in with today. Just apply your concealer like normal under your eyes and along any problem areas, and mine are usually along my T-zone. You want to apply concealer to hide all of those blemishes. And no one needs to know that you studied for 5 hours last night, so that's why we're applying concealer, just to brighten all that. Oh, and by the way, make sure to dampen your beauty blender because that will make this process way easier. Oh, something got in my eyeball. Okay, so my eye is burning right now because something went inside of it, but I'm going to move on with powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is honestly really good, and it's easy to apply, so I'm just going to take some and pour it into the container. That was a lot, but that's how much I use. This is like the miniature size of contour brushes, so I'm going to use that to apply powder. So I'm just going to take a little bit and apply that under my under eyes. So now that all of that is nice and set, I'm going to take my kabuki brush and wipe off the excess powder that may be there. And now we are going to move on to bronzer. So I'm going to be using the bronzer that I always use, and that is the Becca bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the bronzer in areas that you are supposed to. So right here, I don't know what it's called, but put it there just to bring more life on your face, and sometimes the concealer does make you look very pale. And then I like applying it by my forehead as well, just to get me a more bronze look, even though I've been swimming in the pool every day, so I'm kind of already tanned and don't need this. And I have swimming class in like 2 hours, so wish me luck, guys. We swim about 50 laps every day. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna go in with blush, and I usually use the Wet n Wild blush, but I'm gonna be using the blushes that I got from the Ulta set, and it's like this purple box that is like all the way over there, so I'm too lazy to go get it. It's this one, and I'm just gonna go in with coral blush, and depending on the blush you use, a little bit goes a long way. So I just like tapping this on my cheeks and kind of like brushing out, and I always smile when I do it because it's easier to know. And you can't really tell that I have much makeup on right now, but it's kind of good. So that's what I do. Now we're going to go on with highlighter, and highlighter is like your best friend. Like, I love highlighter. I don't know what I would do without highlighter. I'm gonna take like this flat tip brush, and I'm going to apply that under my brow bone, on my nose to make it shiny, and then on like the lip part. And I also like putting a little bit of that in the inner tear duct. And instead of applying eyeshadow, we're just highlighting the inner tear duct, and you can't really see that as much on camera, but off camera you can. So just doing that makes it look a little bit more alive and awake, rather than just looking like I don't know what to say. Rather than looking like how you look when you wake up. That was not creative. Anyways, now we're gonna move on to brows, and I like using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is only $2, but all you really have to do is brush your eyebrows out, and then if you need to, using the other end of the brow pencil, which is this part right here, just like shape your eyebrows if you need to, but I just really like going through them a little bit just to make them look a little bit better, but this step is completely optional. So that's that. I usually just do a quick. I don't really care about how my eyebrows look as much. And now we are going to move on to a step that I don't really do, and that is eyeliner. So I am really bad at eyeliner, which is why I never do it, but I'm going to try to do it just for this video. But if you know how to do eyeliner really good, then definitely do it, because wearing eyeliner just makes you look really cool. I don't know. But I'm going to try to do it even though I can never do it. I just don't know how to do it. It doesn't really look that bad on camera, so I'm just going to leave this on. Anyways, to finish off this makeup look, we're going to go on with mascara. For mascara, I'm going to go in starting from the root of your eyelash and then going up. So I just applied the mascara and you can't really tell. Honestly, the eyeliner does not look that bad. And for lip gloss, I like going with something that's really glossy but also kind of nudish in color. So this is the LA Colors Shine Lip Gloss in the color Pink. And that is basically all I would do in the morning to get ready for back to school. So this is honestly super quick and super easy. It only took me about 10 minutes to complete this, but it would take less. It's something that you can do like once you're running late to school, just pop on something. That is it for this makeup look. And that is it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed it, then definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we are trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of summer. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'll see you guys all in next week's video. Bye!